Hi, welcome back to Chem with Go. Today we're going to take a look at net ionic reactions. Now you have to have a good understanding of the solubility rules in order to be able to predict what the net ionic reactions are going to be between two ionic compounds dissolved in water, and to see whether or not a reaction will even occur. So let's do an example problem where a chemical reaction will occur. Where something will produce or precipitate out because it's insoluble, according to the solubility rules. Let's take a look at a couple of compounds that are actually dissolved in water, so in aqueous solution. Why don't we take a look at sodium chloride, NaCl. We know that salt, this is just table salt. Now we'll dissolve in water, and we'll go ahead and put AQ. Alright, there we go. Plus, let's react it with lead nitrate, Pb, and now note that Pb has a 2+ charge in this specific molecule, Aq, and there we go. Is something going to happen between the two of these? Now, from your solubility rules table, it's understood that all chlorides, are soluble, except for certain ones. Let's take a look at this one right here. All nitrates are soluble, but there are no exceptions for that either. Well, we already know, first of all, that these are both going to dissolve, so that's a given fact. They will split apart to form their constituent ions. But chlorides, specifically, will form something insoluble if it happens to have lead to ions present in solution. And it just so happens that this, when it goes into solution, will form a Pb2+. So the net ionic reaction for this, these sets of ions right here would be the formation of lead to chloride. In this case, it would be Pb2+. You get that 2 finished up right there. That's good enough. Plus Cl, and we note that that's just a 1- from NaCl, will form, and we do the crisscross method to get the formula PbCl2. We know that this is a solid. Now let's make sure we balance the equation, and there we go. That's the net ionic reaction. Now the only thing that we need to make sure that we note is the spectator ions. Well, the spectator ions in the solution are the ions that remain dissolved in the water solution. In this case, the spectator ions would be Na+ and NO3-. They just happen to be remaining in the solution and not bonded to anything else. So these are, again, the spectators. Alright, and then that's it. Any questions? Go ahead and send me an email, and I'll see you in the next lecture.